So guys, how to make a smooth transition in Clipchamp? It's really simple. Bring the footage to the timeline, place them side by side. If there is some space between the clip, just right click on here and select delete all visual gaps. The gaps will be automatically closed. Then to add transition, move the cursor at the middle of two clip, then left click on the symbol to add transition. This will automatically add the last transition we used in our project. The other way, go to left side, select transition from here, then choose the transition you want. Suppose we want to use the tiles transition. For that, left click, hold, drag and release it at the middle of two clip. Let's see what we have. Now to control the duration of the transition, left click on the transition icon, then go to right side, select transition, and here we have the duration. Suppose we want our transition to have 1 second length. For that, move the slider. Now our transition duration is 1 second. Let's see. See, now it's more fast. So guys, that's how easily we can add transition in Clipchamp. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.